All right, let's get right into our next college breakdown. We're looking at Sun College of Engineering and Technology, located in Kanyakumari district. And the first thing you'll want to note down is its TNEA Code, 4925. So, what's the headline here? What makes this college worth a closer look? Well, it's all about choice. Down in the far south of the state, this institution offers a really surprising variety of specialized engineering programs, which is something you don't see every day. But first things first, let's cover the basics, the college's official identity and its approvals. These are the fundamentals you absolutely need to know. And here's the most important one for academic standards in Tamil Nadu. The college is affiliated to Anna University, Chennai. That means your syllabus, your exams, and ultimately your degree certificate all come under the umbrella of the state's main technical university. Okay, so how do you get a seat here? It's pretty straightforward. 65% of the seats fall under the government quota, which means they are filled through TNEA counseling. The remaining 35% make up the management quota, filled directly by the college. Let's just quickly get the other details down. This is a self-financing, co-ed college. It's located in a place called Velamudi in Kanyakumari, and the nearest major town you'll find is Nagercoil, which is about a 13-kilometer drive. And to tick the final regulatory box, yes, the college has its approval from the AICTE, the All India Council for Technical Education, for the academic year 2025-26. That's a non-negotiable for any engineering college. You know, every institution has a backstory. Let's take a quick look at where this college comes from to understand its purpose. So, the institution was founded by engineer C. Theyaparan through the RV Educational Trust. But here's the really interesting part of its journey. It actually started way back in 2005, but as a diploma institution. The big pivot happened in 2025 when it started offering BE and BTech engineering degrees. Now, this is a crucial piece of context. It means when it comes to engineering degrees, they are very new to the game. And what was the original vision? Well, their founding mission statement says it all. The idea was to serve the youth in the surrounding rural areas by providing technical and vocational training. That gives you a sense of its roots. Okay, now for the part that most of you are really waiting for. What engineering programs can you actually study here in 2026? For the coming year, the college has a total approved intake of 900 seats. And those 900 seats are spread across a pretty impressive 13 different branches of engineering. And just look at this list. This is really the college's main draw. Of course, you have the core branches like civil, mechanical, and EEE. But what's remarkable is the number of specialized new age programs like AI and data science, cybersecurity, and even some really niche ones like pharmaceutical, petrochemical, and food technology. For students in this region, having this kind of variety all in one campus is a huge plus. All right, academics are one thing, but what about the practicalities? Let's talk about the day-to-day stuff, the logistics of actually studying here, especially if you're not from the local area. So the college does have permanent, separate hostels for both boys and girls. The mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. For day scholars, transport is a big deal, and they have a fleet of over 50 buses. And if you're traveling by train, the closest major station is Nagercoil Junction. Now, what about financial support? Well, students who are eligible can apply for a range of government scholarships. This includes the usual schemes for SC/ST, BC, MBC, and DNC students, the very popular First Graduate Scholarship, and also central government schemes for OBC and minority communities. And now we've arrived at the big question. The one that's probably on every single parent's mind. What about jobs and careers? Let's look at the very first piece of data we have on placements. So, what does the college say about career outcomes?
The placement figure that the college has provided is 25%.
Now, it is absolutely vital to understand the context behind this number. This 25% figure is what the college itself reported to the TNEA authorities for the 2025 admission cycle. And remember what we said earlier? The engineering degree programs only started in 2025. This means their first batch of engineering students has not even graduated yet, so there's no established placement record for their BE students to look at. As always, just a quick reminder that all the information we've shared here is based on what we found on the college's own website and on trusted government portals as of April 2026. It's always a good idea for you to double-check for the very latest updates before making any decisions. So this really brings you to a key decision point. Do you go for a brand new institution that offers a fantastic choice of modern, specialized branches, or is a long, proven track record more important to you and your family? That's the conversation to have. To help you with those decisions, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.